image is still coming. Ladies and gentlemen, a star, a hero, whether it's a princess, a goddess, whether it's a warrior, it's all the same. To me, it's Deepika Padukone. Here you go, there is the naming of Deepika Padukone, please. You're still in character.
I mean, the movie went on for about 3 years, so I was like, why not? Just a few months more.
So Nagi's really pushed you into being a method actor then.
I mean, clearly.
So tell us a little quickly about Nagi and then we'll come back to this.
If Nagi opens his mouth and speaks, I'll be able to tell you a little bit about Nagi. But no, I think it's been an incredible experience. I think a great learning experience. I think, like Mr. Bachchan said, I think a completely new world. And I think we went through different phases of discovering what this movie was about. But I think the magic that is in Nagi's head is now here finally for everyone to see, and I think we as actors have discovered that along the way. So it's been an incredible experience at both a personal and a professional level.
It's awesome.
Thank you.
Please, ma'am, take a seat. I'll get you. Nitin, my man, over to you. Thank you for this. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rana Garu one more time. Telling the entire world what we are today. So we can make some more noise. कर सकते, we don't mind. कर सकते. Okay? I'll give it to you. First of all, first things first. Rana bhai, tell us. You know, we know आप इंडस्ट्री के सबसे तगड़े यार हो, but आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? Are you like that one of those धूतास जो यहाँ आके इस फिल्म में सबसे ज़्यादा विश्वास करते हैं? So you've come here in that capacity. Like, what are you doing? Are you acting in this movie?
No, all the 12 people were already picked before the casting call happened. So no, I'm not in this movie.
Okay. So you're like co-producing this movie or something?
No man, it's really expensive film. So there is a man called Mr. Ashwini Dutt. He's producing the film. He is the most prolific man, so he's the producer of the film.
Got it. So in that case, are you like co-directing it or something?
So I'm actually something close. Not co-directing it, but I went to school with the director from first grade. So hence that's my connection to the film.
Okay.
And I went to war school with the star in this film, Prabhas.
Yeah,
So we
absolutely.
were fighting for 6 years. So that's the real relation that I have with this film.
Right.
And I think if someone in my street is making something that is the most amazing thing that can change what cinema did one more time, I think I have to be part of it.
And he's always there. Give it up for Rana Daggubati, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. And मैंने आपका गुस्सा भी देखा है, of course, when you talk about Prabhas sir and वो जो हमने battle देखी हुई है. So I'll take your leave. Over to you. Give it up for Rana, ladies and gentlemen, one more time.
All right, hello, thank you. So let me begin. This thing, sometimes it's just fun going to school with some smart kids. Though you didn't study, they end up doing things like this. So the first person I'm going to introduce on this stage is, like, alphabets start with A and B, and my introduction to Hindi cinema happened with the letters A and B, and with the man that carries A and B to the finest. Ladies and gentlemen, an AV on, the Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, please. seen in a long time. And the look you entered with has nothing to do with that. Sir, tell us about Nagashwin and tell us about health.
Just as
मोबाइल नीचे कर मोबाइल
it's just that I didn't go to school with him.
आराम से भाई
But it's been a great honor to have worked in this product. And there are many things that I'd like to ask Nag and the rest of the cast.
अरे मोबाइल मैडम बोलो नीचे करे
We'll get time for that a little later on. It's been a truly wonderful experience to have worked in a setup where they've actually gone beyond thinking what most of us have been doing all our lives in this film industry. And I really appreciate the fact that they're moving a little ahead of times and making us a part of that, making us work in conditions that we never ever thought we would be able to work in. So I want to congratulate Nag and the production for thinking something like this film, and a great honor for me to be a part of it.
Thank you, sir. I think. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if the letters in Hindi for me started in A and B in some ways, we had an encyclopedia in the South that started with the letters K and H. And from where I am, we call him a little longish name, and it has some more suffixes. I'm just using the ones that rhyme. He's called Mr. Kapla Singh. Sir, you are our encyclopedia, and with so much filmography, you still have newer looks and newer performances coming. How is that even possible?
It's possible because of good technicians and good directors. Otherwise, I think I'm enjoying it more now.
And what's your experience with Nagashwin and with this wild crew?
I was curious to begin with. I was sort of surprised, and then I'm in awe now. That's the stages.
If you could take your seat, we will have the others of your lovely cast on the stage and we'll come back. Yes, thank you, sir.
अरे यार मोबाइल नीचे लो यार
मोबाइल अरे पहले ये मोबाइल पूरा सामने से हटाओ हम लोग कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है
मिनट वाले आंटी को बोलो यार मिनट वाले आंटी
We fought for 6 years, every single day, smashing each other with swords, mud and what we could. By the end of it, we had broken bones. We were sharing hospital numbers and sometimes sharing beds. A lot of us fell after that, but he continued the fight. With every single time he makes a film, there's something that he reinvents. Not punching above his weight, but always punching above the industry's weight. He's my friend, my brother, the Bahubali, the Prabhas. Ladies and gentlemen, here you are, Prabhas, please.
Hi.
Well, welcome to Bombay again.
Thank you.
So, we came here like almost 7 years ago on that first flight. Tell me what's different from then and now.
Nothing. I'm saying it's just the same way. So yeah, first time when I came, like you really helped me. I was like, wow, please help. What should I do? What should I talk? And now, yeah, the media was very sweet then and now. Thanks a lot.
Awesome, man. Please take a seat and mic na dijiye. Wow, here you go.
All the lady to your left.
So sorry. Yeah, and Deepika, I always wanted
The fact that he has said more than 2 sentences, we should
He's the
be
big one. Please,
celebrating.
big round of applause, please.
Yeah. So yeah, Deepika, I wanted to work with her always, and some actors who can reach around such an international level, and such a beautiful, gorgeous, and superstar, and a great actress. And it's beautiful to work with you. Thank you so much. So, yeah, that's it, I think.
Actually, I'm like this because of all the food he's fed me.
Okay, let's start by talking about that. Did all of you all eat great food on set? No?
Yes, courtesy.
This man?
Yes. Every day. And it got to a point where it wasn't
You
just
never
food
ate.
coming from home. There was like full catering service. So the highlight of the day almost became what is Prabhas feeding everyone. And for those who know him well, know that he feeds from the heart. So
Awesome. So Deepika, when I was speaking to Nagi, I said, who do I talk about the story and who should reveal most things? He said, I think Deepika should speak about it. So we see you carrying, I mean, at first I thought you were like really in character trying to do this, but can you talk about your role and the film?
why?
Why?
You didn't ask any of them that question.
But I know Nagi put that in me. He said she is the one you should ask.
Can't. I think he said a lot about the movie and the worlds. But I mean, I think what I can definitely say is that it's unlike anything we've experienced or seen before. So even when I remember doing the narration for this through COVID, and Nagi was on Zoom and I was on the other end, and I think much like Kamal sir said, you know, you could see sparks of genius in him, even though this is just his second or third movie. You could tell that it was, as he was narrating, there wasn't much on paper, but it was all in his mind. And every time he spoke and you look, and even now when you look into his eyes, you can see that, you know, the entire visual of what he's envisioned over the years is so clear. And that's the only time, and I mean it in a good way, where you actually hear him speak, and speak so articulately, because that's the one thing that he's just completely consumed by and, you know, passionate about. And but yes, I mean, I really don't know. Very honestly, to your question, I don't know how much I can and cannot say. But yes, I play the mother, and yeah, and then the movie's out on the 27th for everyone to discover the rest of it.
Amazing. So welcome to Telugu cinema. That I guess I have to say that to you in some ways.
Yeah.
Are you going to do more films?
I mean, sure.
Back in Telugu?
If the audience would like me to, sure.
Awesome. Thank you. So we have a little tradition that Telugu cinema follows, and we thought we should bring it here along. And ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Swapna Dutt, the producer of the film. Awesome. All right, and that is a little surprise for you all. There is a new version of the trailer. Nagi has sit and right now cut and sent to us that we are going to get to watch. Phones down, no recordings, we just step out.
And before we play that, Rana sir, a question, chota sa. Hypothetically, if you were to play a character in this movie, in this blockbuster to be, वो किसका और कौन सा character होता? Talk to us about that.
I'd play Nagi's assistant because that's what I'm doing most times. I'd continue to do that. Or I'll play Mr. Ashmidat's assistant. So one of the two things I'm going to do.
Amazing, amazing. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you guys.
Of course, the stellar cast and Rana for doing this. Sir, kindly be seated because we have a big surprise for all you people here. अच्छा, सबसे एक गुजारिश है ना, लकी मैस्कॉट साहब जो हमारे धूत हैं, उन्होंने तो बोल दिया यहाँ. मैं सबसे गुजारिश करूंगा, प्लीज अपने फोन्स की जो रिकॉर्डिंग है उसे बंद कर लीजिए, बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली फॉर योर आईज. ये एंजॉय कीजिए, कैमरास नीचे करेंगे हम लोग. तब
ये था प्रभास की आने वाली फिल्म कल्कि 2898 का मेगा और मेगा सुपर हिट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस मुंबई के अंदर, जिसमें मौजूद थे उनके को स्टार्स दीपिका पादुकोण, अमिताभ बच्चन और राणा दग्गुबाती। ये फिल्म इस साल की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉमिसिंग बॉक्स ऑफिस ओपनर होने वाली है इन ऑल लैंग्वेजेस अक्रॉस द कंट्री ही नहीं बल्कि दुनिया भर में ये पिक्चर तहलका मचाने वाली है।